Have you seen Euphoria before? It's a TV series that focuses on Rue Bennett, who tries to get sober and find out her place in the world. It's pretty popular in 2019, and it's definitely worth watching. But if you are a Netflix user, unfortunately, Euphoria is not on Netflix currently. It's exclusively on HBO Max, but you can also find it on some on-demand platforms like Hulu and Prime Video. If you want to catch up on Season I and Season 2, you'll need to subscribe to HBO Max. But if you don't want to give HBO Max a monthly subscription fee, then why not just save Euphoria locally for offline streaming once and for all with MovPilot? The software offers powerful features to get around DRM protection, helping you save Euphoria as regular MP4 videos. Tap this button to download and install MovPilot first, and you can click the link below to get a free trial. After installing, open MovPilot, select HBO Max, and log into your account. Enter keywords or paste the URL link of Euphoria in the search bar, then wait for the result. With or without an HBO subscription, MovPilot allows you to download Euphoria for offline viewing. Besides, you can customize the video output settings. Tap this gear icon to find settings, choose the output formats like MP4, and keep the original audio and subtitles. When the setting is done, take various Euphoria episodes at once. Just click Download. MovPilot will remove DRM protection and save them in batches to 1080p files at 5 times faster speed. Now, you can find your downloads in the history for offline viewing at any time. It's super easy to get Euphoria offline with MovPilot. Click the link below to try it for free right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.